being outside and going underground pleasant for the commuter.
The Public Art Project has sparked not only community support, but corporate sponsorship as well. Pacific Enterprises underwrote the cost of an artwork for the Metro Blue Line tunnel between 7th and 12th Streets on Flower. Santa Monica artist Tom Eatherton created a series of fiber optic light paintings titled Unity. He was chosen from a nationwide competition.
I tried to do what I always try to do anyway, actually, which is find a kind of universal experience, something that everyone can relate to.
Looks great! You don't know how it looks to me. You can't imagine.
Art as community identity, art as public and private collaboration, art as a complement to transit technology. LACTC's public art program is people creating meaningful images for themselves, even as they create the means of movement. Learning to see their city in new ways, even as they travel it in new ways. Public art, public transit. A fusion of function and idea. A vision of mobility.